Clever tips to improve your affiliate marketing. When you become an affiliate, you market the product of the larger company to sections of their audience that they may not be able to reach. The methods for going about this vary for every person, but some of the same principles are always present, if you break the marketing campaign down into smaller sections and begin to study. Luckily, that has already been done for you and the results will be provided in this very video. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. An efficient blog or website is going to create far more affiliate traffic than almost anything else you can do. Be sure that your site is always streamlined and easy to use. A complicated site stuffed with junk content is going to immediately turn traffic away. So, make sure the site is clean and easy to navigate. To make money doing affiliate marketing, you have to start with a quality product. No matter how much promotion you do, if people never buy the product, you will not make any money from it. A poor product on your page may also make people question the quality of your other products. When you get deep into affiliate marketing, you need to keep track of ROI, or return on investment. Simply put, this is a measurement of what profit you get out of the money you spend on advertising. Fortunately, there are plenty of automatic and free ROI tools online to assist you. By measuring your ROI, you can easily compare multiple forms of advertising and see which is most cost-effective for you. The goal is to help the parent company sell their products through your advertisements or websites. This is a great example of a silent partnership in the business world and is responsible for building new businesses and keeping older ones alive. In the end, the information provided will help everyone involved walk away with profits in the bank. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.